Good afternoon. Okay. Madam Vice Mayor, can you please lead us to prayer?
Let us put ourselves. Hello. Let us put ourselves in the most holy presence of God. My Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Dear Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for.
We're hoping that we survive the last quarter with regard to our expenses. Medyo malaki-laki itong gastusin natin itong last quarter na to, but I'm hopeful